Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra. Precision camera elements and cutting edge technology revolutionize how you capture video and photos. The revolution starts with 8K. 8K video goes beyond cinema, the highest video resolution possible on a smartphone, and with 8K video snap you can take epic high-res photos straight from video. Groundbreaking director's view reimagines movie making. In real time you call the shots, choose between ultra wide and when you want to get up close, tele or put yourself in the picture. With vlogger mode, it's all covered in one take with unprecedented processor speed, splicing every angle together on the fly. So without lag it's all there in a single seamless movie file, ready to share. Super high resolution doesn't stop at video. Stop. Can you once buy this phone? You visit link in description. The epic story continues with an enhanced 108 megapixel sensor, capturing rich color for true to life photos. You can all but taste the details as you pinch in to discover photos within photos. Our breakthrough dual tele-lens system brings the world closer to you. With zoom lock, space zoom is now smoother, faster and sharper than any zoom in. Galaxy Night Mode delivers our biggest leap in low-light photography. Multi-frame blending and enhanced eye deep learning transform low light into bright vivid photos. When the night calls for video enhanced noise reduction makes adventures after dark brighter than ever, and shooting 60 frames per second across 4 lenses in 4K makes every move look unbelievably smooth. The first S Pen for S series puts precision editing at your fingertips, so you can now craft edits on the go and share in an instant. On 5 grams, our smoothest display ever is also the most intelligent on a smartphone. 120Hz refresh rate optimizes to what you're watching, while a comfort shield intelligently adjusts blue light for you. With the fastest chip in Galaxy, unsurpassed speed powers an epic camera experience, complete with dedicated Samsung Knoxville for the highest level of hardware security and intelligent 5000 mAh battery will outlast your day even on 5 grams. S21 Ultra's iconic contour cut camera design revolutionizes all a smartphone camera can do. Design to be epic. You can buy this phone on Amazon. Link in description.